Hey Jackal, it's been a while. I've been super busy the last 6 months, but hopefully I'll be able to post more content. But if not, this is what I'll be leaving you for now. It was an adjustment clip bug using DaVinci Resolve 19. I did not make a super complex composition like this in a while, so I have no idea if this also happens in DaVinci Resolve 20. But let me show you what actually the issue is. And more importantly, what's actually the solution. Now the issue is when you have the clip cached, so the blue line on the top of the adjustment clips, you can see that the text is cutting in and out. And also, when I change the text, so from English to something else, because I was doing translations, the text actually does not update, even though it is cached anew. So the solution is to actually go into the Fusion page, then go to the Media In node and change the media source from timeline to something else, and then change it back to timeline. This will now make it so that the text actually updates and stays updated. Previously, it was either cutting out or it was changing between English and the second language that I used. But now this actually fixed the issue. Now, as I said, is this the same in Resolve 20? No idea, but if you have the issue, as I had, this is the solution. That's it for this video. If you liked it, subscribe to the channel and we'll do something else in the next one.